Hi guys, this is TKaz in Roblox Studio. As you can see, I've thought I might also do a walkthrough of my Guardian Angel Defender plugin and show it what it can actually do. But first, I've actually programmed a little virus that would infect this place here that I've got, that I'm cycling around at the moment. Just basically something that you might find in your free models when you download it from free models, i.e. here. Models, yeah, anything that's around there. That's basically what you might find in your place or something. Sorry if I'm sort of slurring a little bit. I just got a massive mouth ulcer, so yeah. Anyway, I'll show you this virus. What's the word? How infectious these things can be. This one's not infectious, it's just devastating, that's all. Because it basically just destroys everything that you see in your workplace. Right, here we go. I'll show you the virus, then I'll talk you through the actual plugin afterwards. Right, let's actually get rid of these. No, my place is being infected. Help! Close that down, close that down. No, get rid of that. Uh-oh. Here we go. Yeah, this is something I just threw together in about 10 minutes. Okay, whatever. I need something to eat before the place gets destroyed. I need to find some crumpets. Yum. Huh. Here, crumpets. Okay, a computer that loves crumpets, or a computer virus that loves crumpets. Fair enough. Aha! Found them! Yum nom 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 nom. Oh, you're still here. I guess I should activate them. But now I don't want to now, since I found my crumpets that you stole. Oh, whatever, I'll do it. Don't say I didn't warn you though. Otherwise, I won't hear the last of it. Continuing to activate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go, activating. This is basically just something that just threw together. Basically just destroys the whole place. Look at that. Epic. Hopefully that car will get destroyed as well. I can't remember if I programmed it for anchored stuff. Hope you soon see. It shouldn't take too long to destroy. It's only a basic house. And no, I will not put this script in free models and allow people to download it, so people would abuse it. So yeah. So anyway. Right, let's just wait for this script to finish. Oh look, just killed our special agent. Yay! Not very special then. Look at that. My place, my house. No. Although I may what's the word? May release it on someone who annoys me, sort of thing. So you guys better watch out. Nah, I won't be that cruel. Now, anyway, you're going to activate. Thank you. See, told you I'm harmful. Now you haven't got a place anymore. In the future, check your harmful scripts for harmful scripts using the virus scanner or manually. Yeah. Hope you enjoy your empty place. Yeah, I didn't program that properly because the base plate was meant to fall down as well. Oh well, whatever. Oh wait, I forgot something. I had this hiding behind the scenes. Huh? What? And it's just activating again. Let's stop that again. So yeah, let's just a basic virus script. Right, let's actually talk you through my plugin. Right, output, just get set up my windows. What's that doing up there? That should be down here. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, Mom, you can go down there. Thank you. Right, anyway. View properties. Let's put that over there. No, that's it. Whatever. Right, anyway, the harmful script is basically this. Just something I tapped together. Anyway, what we're going to do now is I'm going to talk you through my plugin. This plugin here. Let's actually minimise that a little bit. Now, here we go. This is my plugin. I thought it's about time I talk you guys through it completely, from start to finish. Right, as you saw, when you first click on the button, you get that load on screen. It's basically just loading through everything like the database, that sort of thing. I'll show you quickly if I can remember where I put it. Basically the database. I think I've actually got another instance. Right, here we go. Basically that load on screen is basically just going through all of this script and loading it into its database, like this thing here. I actually sat there and programmed all that, and that was really repetitive, but it's worse than doing lines. Anyway, back to the script. Right, this is the setting that you've got. Let's just start from the beginning. We got obviously start scan, which is basically go through all the place looking for any blank objects. Like that would be a blank object because we've got nothing defined. Any diesel or whatever, however you say that in the word, I still can't say that. In other words, these things, if it hasn't got a texture set, then it's flagged as a blank object, that sort of thing. Like if these 60 motors didn't have anything, which they don't, they will also get flagged. But because it's intelligent enough to know if there's a humanoid in the group that we're dealing with, like here we're dealing with a special agent, and the script is smart enough to check if there's a humanoid in the parent group before it decides if it's a blank object or it's a humanoid, because some humanoids actually when you start the game they sort of make the joints as it loads, so it's smart enough to do that. And what it does, so what it does is it goes through the whole place. I may do in the future where you can select different things, like if you want to scan just a Ferrari, you can do that. At the moment you cannot do that. It goes straight through the whole place. So yeah, basically you can change you can either scan the workplace, players, lighting and all that business, which you can change from here from the settings. You see that? You got players, lighting, starter GUI, starter pack, debris, and etc, etc. I've done that because sometimes you find viruses in the lighting. So yeah. Anyway, so that's how you change the scan location. This little thing here is basically, if it finds something like that, like it's named nothing to see here, it would just, if it doesn't find a script inside of it, which could be a potential virus, it just renames it back to snap. Or if you've got a 4D motor, it renames it back to 4D motor. So yeah, and then of course we've got the log of all the things I've been changing. It's basically that. So that's the settings. So what I'm going to do is going to start the scan, and hopefully we will detect this script, the one that I just programmed, and I've deliberately named it something that it will not check for, to see if it actually checks and actually flags it. Right, here we go. Scanning workspace even. Oh, and it's got it. Right, stop the scan, otherwise it goes through all of that and take about 20 minutes or so. That's the only problem with this script, is if you've got a large place like this, yeah, if you've got a large place with lots of bricks in it, it would take ages to scan through, like, I guess, like a normal virus scanner. So yeah, you can also move this around. So what we got there is a virus object, which is basically an object containing a virus, and here's the quarantine, where it's actually taken it out of the workplace, left the base plate as it is, and put it straight into its quarantine. These values here are just basically just place marks telling the script where it was, what type it is, what the index on the display is, that sort of thing, and the original parent, of course, which was the base plate. So this is the script that it's been flagged, and it's been disabled. So anything that goes into the quarantine, any scripts should be flagged, so it cannot run when you press play. Like if I close that down and press play now, nothing should happen. Here we go. And it should be just a normal place. So essentially you just removed it from the place and running completely. Anyway, back to the script. What we got here is 2 buttons at the moment. I'm hoping to get more, like we can actually check the script, double click the script and open it up, that sort of thing. I don't know if that's possible in the editor, where we double click it and we find it opens up the script, that sort of thing. I'm hoping to be able to do that in the future. I'm not sure if it's possible yet, but we'll soon see. And so what it's got is number 1, and it's got the object name, which is basically that. Nothing to see here and nothing to see here, and it's the actual class name of it is a snap, which is what it said there. And it's the type of object is a virus object because it's got a script inside. So yeah, and there we go. This is an object that contains a harmful script. So basically we've got 2 options. We can either remove it, which is the safer option, which just removes it completely from the whole game, or we can restore it. I'll show you the restore first and then remove. Right, here we go. There we go. Just restored it back to the desktop where it was. Desktop workspace. Right, let's hopefully get it straight back again. There we go. Yeah, I think I'll stop that. Right, so down here we got removal and restore all. I think that's self-explanatory. Removal basically just removes every single event thing. Let's actually load in another object. Let's actually get rid of that. Let's load in another one. I did have a object prepared ages ago to show you what it does, to show you more objects, that sort of thing. Hopefully I still got it. No, I haven't got it. Right, let's load in 3 models, show you in action. What shall I load in? Let's load in the Mega Nuke. Well, we're going to load in. Thank you. I think my mouse is playing up. Let's load in that. It won't be too much because it's will take a while. Let's load in the iPlayer. Right, let's see if we get anything from these 3 models. Start scan. This is live. I haven't prepared these, so I don't know if we find anything or not. And it looks like they're clean. Let's run the game. Let's have a look. Yep, they're clean. So Let's try a few more. Let's try that Ford Mustang. Let's try Biddable Places. And that guy. Let's scan that. That's going to take a little bit. Hopefully it will find something this time. So I can show you that it don't just find one object. That'd be kind of useless if it just finds one object. And you have to run the scan over and over and over and over till you get them all. So yeah, it's just going straight through all those objects in the workplace, all these objects, looking for anything suspicious. What I've tried to do was program how I would actually search through these things like I'm doing here. Like I'll just check that's got anything here, which it does, etc, etc, all the way down. And it looks like we're not going to find anything. Because I'm recording, it's not showing anything. Whatever. Come on then. You're gonna find anything. The only thing that might break the script is if you add in, oh here we go, if you add in another model while it's scanning. It won't scan the things that you entered in, that you just put in the place while it's scanning. You'd have to rerun the scan again. And also if you remove something from the workplace, it may break the script. Just thought I might as well get that out there. Right, what we found here was a load of blank objects. And for the quarantine, I've actually got 4 objects per thing that it found. Like for blank objects, it's just a model. For the virus object that contains virus scripts, it's a arc handles, I think that is. Yes, arc handles. For a script itself, I think it's a handles object. And what's the other thing? I think it was a weld for... There was another one, I can't quite remember what it was. Let's have a quick look. Load up. Open. Come on then, computer. Server script. Let's have a look. What was the other thing? That's the log. That's that. Oh, a bindable function. That was for... Let's have a look if we can find that. Oh, yes. That's for an object that has children, like things like this, when it shouldn't have. Like a script can have children. And if, let's say, I don't know, players, let's just say that couldn't have children, the script would go through and check the players for, obviously it won't do that because it won't be searching for players, it'd be searching the workplace. But anyway, it would go through the workplace or wherever you're scanning and looking for a thing that can't have children, and if it has got children it will get flagged and put into the quarantine, that sort of thing. So yeah, I do actually feel this script is very close to actually 1.0, because at the moment I haven't found any faults with it, and it took me ages to actually program it to this. Oh yes, I'm going to show you what happens when I restore all, when I remove the objects. So apparently it was in that car that I just removed. when you actually remove the things that that it found, it would basically restore them to the workplace, workspace even. There we go. Yeah, that bit's a bit slow because it's checking where the parent was. So make sure that you don't do that too often with big models, that sort of thing. Oh, I got a duplicate. I think I've just found a bug. Oh well, whatever. As you can see, it's working as far as that. And why does that, has that been not flagged? Let's have a look. Yeah, that's strange. I think I've just found another bug. Anyway, so yeah, this is my plugin Angel Guardian Defender. There's still a few little bugs, as you can see, but it's basically working as is. And basically when you installed it, you installed it as you can see here, unless it's version above this, obviously. So yeah, anyway, this has been T-Gaza in Roblox Studio on talking about my Guardian Angel Defender plugin, Virus Scanner plugin, and I'll catch you guys later. T-Gaza signing out.